Hi, I'm Gia Nicolaides. Here's your morning brief on the coronavirus. It's day 34 of the national lockdown at level 5. On Friday, we go into level 4, meaning some restrictions will be relaxed. This includes the sale of more items like winter clothes, cigarettes, and the delivery of restaurant food. And more people will start going back to work. The latest figures show that we have almost 5,000 confirmed cases and a total of 93 deaths from COVID-19. The good news is that over 2,000 people have now recovered. 6 million people in the country have been screened and over 185,000 people have been tested. During a technical briefing last night, Health Minister Zweli Mkhize said they're starting to get enough data to identify interesting trends. They are looking at two main groups of people: those who go to hospital because they are feeling ill and are then tested for COVID-19, and those who are specifically referred for testing as a result of the mass screening. What they are finding is that the positive test rate is very close in both groups. That means we have yet to see the massive increase of infections, or what the minister is calling an explosion. The prediction for now is that the number of infections will peak around late July, early August. In the Western Cape, health officials say the cluster outbreaks that they are tracking all link back to supermarkets and factories, and so employers are being urged to do their bit to help stop the spread of the virus. In Gauteng, the province's very high recovery rate was noted, and the department's recruitment drive to staff up for the peak. Currently, they are processing more than 8,000 applications. Now, the UIF has received just over 103,000 applications from employers, and that's a very small portion of the 1.8 million employers that are registered on the UIF database. Government is therefore begging employers to do the work and help their employees by lodging claims for UIF. They won't get a full salary, but at least they'll have something. The Tourism Sector Relief Fund has received 10,000 applications for help, but hasn't paid out any of this money as yet, as it's waiting for the outcome of a court case. AfriForum and Solidarity have taken government to court to review and set aside the decision to use the BBBEE compliance as a requirement for the allocation of funds. Globally, more than 3 million people have tested positive. The US now has tipped the million mark in terms of infections, accounting for a third of global positive cases. Italy, which has recorded the highest number of deaths in Europe, has defended its plans for a gradual end to Europe's longest lockdown, while France and Greece are also planning to ease their lockdowns. For this and more on the pandemic, go to ewn.co.za/coronavirus.